Yeah? Who gave you ParleG biscuits on Halloween? Huh? Who gave you ParleG biscuits on Halloween? Did Daddy trick you and take your pumpkin full of all the chocolate and then he gave you the ParleG biscuits? Yeah? Is that what Dad did? But you don't care, right? Obviously you don't care.
These are probably worse.
Dave, are you tasting those?
Not today, Daddy. I tasted them a long time ago and I know I like them. You having technical difficulties?
No.
Okay. I was just, no, not on the wall, my love. Yoda?
Yeah.
Not on the wall.
No.
Yes.
Are those good? Can Dad have a bite?
Oh. Dave, look at Dad and say, ka. and then give him the cookie. Say, ka. And then feed him. Ka. Daddy ka. Who says ka? Does Pinky Boa say ka?
Shoes.
Shoes?
Boa.
Bua?
Shoes.
Shoes?
Guns. Guns.
You have boo-boo with your shoes?
Yeah.
You want to take them off?
Yes.
Say, off please.
I'll please.
Okay. Can I take your socks off?
Yes.
Dave, you know how to take your socks and shoes off.
No. No.
You want to take this shoe off too?
Yes.
Say yes please.
Please.
Dave, why do you have blue pants? I don't think Yoda wore blue pants.
No. No.
You want me to take the socks off?
Yes.
Okay.
It goes.
It tickles?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys.
I got it.
Dave, can you sing Kabhi Kabhi?
Kaya.
What comes after that line? Que me. Uh-oh. It fell?
Cookie down. Cookie down.
We need emergency vehicle stat. You got it. The doorbell.